Hi, I'm Peter from Coffee Parts. I often talk about how on a Sunday I like slowing it down and really experiencing slow espresso. So I've got two of my favorite products out, a hand grinder from Leva called the HG-1 and a coffee machine from Marzocco called the LevaX. I thought we'll pull some shots and really enjoy the moment. So these are two of my favorite machines because I love original, beautiful design. I love how Leva have really created a beautiful product that's inspirational and really slows down espresso. You've got an 83mm conical blade from the Marzocco in a very slow hand motion with a beautiful flywheel. And the Marzocco, you got a fully, basically commercial Marzocco built for home with a water reservoir in a way that they reinvented the lever. They've looked at the lever, got rid of all the dangerous approaches of the lever, it coming back and flinging back up, built in a clutch, exposed all the beautiful look and really made it a mechanical, beautiful experience. So let's get into it and have a coffee together. I've got 20 grams of coffee that we've pre-weighed. I'm just gonna load it here into the Leva and it's gonna grind into the tumbler. Under here, you do have a paddle that goes around to distribute the coffee better. So let's get started. We're getting there. Now, as an everyday experience, it's probably not something I want to be doing. I do like electric grinders, but as an occasional experience, maybe on a weekend, I really do find that satisfying. And watching the coffee come out, it is really beautifully distributed, fluffy and even. There's something quite magical to grinding and watching it come out. Now, getting that portafilter, clean that out, putting the tumbler on it and lifting out the middle section, tapping it away to get rid of any of the coffee. Just bringing that in as we lift out. Hopefully we've made a little bit of a mess. Not ideal, but it is what it is. Just gonna tamp that down. And just locking it into the Marzocco. Depending on how far we bring down the lever will depend on how much volume we get in the shot. So I want to make this quite a short shot. We're actually just going to start it here and bring it down. Then we're going to look on the screen there to see what it's showing us and then letting it pre-infuse and then bringing it back up and letting that shot run. It's not actually going to cut off the shot, so I'm going to pull the cup a little bit early. I'm just going to cut it there. And that's it. So let's enjoy. I really do like the coffee made. Like, it's just about the experience, the moment. Now, I understand that both these machines are up there in price. So I guess they're not what you'd call affordable machines. Beautiful, but not affordable. But you could get the same result and the same experience using a hand grinder, say something from like Time or Commandant. And there's a lot of levers that will also give you that journey at a more affordable price point. Think of something like the Flare 58 or even other versions of the Flare, the little Nomad. There is quite a few slow coffee experiences that you can get from a hand grinder and from a lever machine without being the HG-1 or LevaX. In saying that, if these were the two machines you could fit on your bench and have at home, they are absolutely beautiful. We have done reviews if you're actually wanting to know a bit more about these products on the HG-1, on the Marzocco LevaX, and all the products mentioned. But like always, if this video has brought you value, please hit that thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. See you on the next video and enjoy your coffee.